first such kind of program where a private organization has taken a lead. IdeaForge has taken a lead.
It is very good initiative to interact with the industry people, vision of the government and the aspirations of the industries club together in such sessions.
Also, public-private collaboration can collaborate and find a way in which public benefits can be achieved using innovative techniques.
I think the government sector as well as the industry sector coming together to bring up the latest technology to share their experience. I think IAM 2025 is a stepping block to a larger contribution to the society.